Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Loom for UI walkthroughs, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.loom.com and press enter. Once the Loom homepage loads, look for the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Here, you'll see options to sign in using an email or a Google account. If you choose to log in with an email, enter your registered email address in the field provided. Next, click on the Continue button. You will receive an email with a login link. Check your inbox for this email. Once you find the email, click on the login link to access your account. If you prefer to sign in using Google, click on the Login with Google button. A Google sign-in window will appear. Enter your Google account credentials if prompted. After successfully signing in, you will be taken to your Loom dashboard. From here, you can start creating videos or explore your past recordings. Now, you are logged in and ready to use Loom for your UI walkthroughs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.